Is your car making that weird noise again? Don't ignore it. Your car's trying to tell you something. Squealing when you brake. Probably worn brake pads. Get them checked before you damage the rotors. Knocking from the engine? That's serious. Could be low oil or internal damage. See a mechanic ASAP. Clicking while driving? Might be a CV joint or something stuck in your tire. Grinding gears? Your transmission may be wearing out. Catch it early. It's cheaper. Hissing under the hood? Could be a vacuum leak or fluid hitting hot parts. Look into it soon. Roaring at highway speeds, worn wheel bearings or bad tires. Don't risk it. Clunking over bumps, your suspension might be shot. Get it looked at. Bottom line, new or worsening car noises are warnings. Listen up, your safety and wallet depend on it. Subscribe to the channel right now for even more great videos just like this.